500 years ago, humanity believed the universe revolved around Earth. That belief was not just scientific, it was psychological. It placed humanity at the center of existence. Galileo challenged that idea, not with ideology but with observation. And for that he was silenced. Today we like to believe we have moved past that era. We tell ourselves we are rational. Scientific. Evolved. But we have not abandoned the center. We simply moved it. We no longer believe the universe revolves around Earth. We believe it revolves around us. This is anthropocentrism, the belief that humanity is the reference frame for reality, that planets exist for us, that ecosystems serve us, that the future will adapt to our desires. This belief is more dangerous than geocentrism ever was, because geocentrism was corrected by observation. Anthropocentrism is protected by power. We still design economies as if Earth is infinite. We still wage wars as if resources regenerate. We still plan growth as if planetary limits are optional. Nothing fundamental has changed. If Galileo were alive today, he would still be silenced, not by the church, but by institutions, industries, and ideologies that depend on the illusion that humanity is exempt from planetary law. We celebrate technological progress while ignoring civilizational stagnation. We have faster computers, but the same thinking. Better sensors, but the same assumptions. More data, but no shift in perspective. A civilization does not evolve when it invents tools. It evolves when it accepts limits. Earth does not exist for humanity. Humanity exists because of Earth. This reversal is the foundation of Earth restoration. Until we abandon anthropocentrism, every solution will fail. Climate action will fail. Economic reform will fail. Political movements will fail. Because all of them are built on the same false premise, that humanity is the central variable. Earth restoration does not begin with technology. It begins with humility. It begins when humanity accepts that it is one participant in a planetary system, not its owner. This series is not about blame, it is about orientation. Before we can save Earth, we must first stop pretending that Earth revolves around us. That is the first correction. Everything else follows.